Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ashley, and Natasha and I have just arrived to our designer Airbnb on the Sunshine Coast. Home is called the Arbutus BLUFF. It is a 2-bedroom that sleeps 4 people. So come on in, let me give you a tour. So the home features a lot of storage, so don't worry, you can bring all your cute summer outfits with you. And then come on in, the master's fantastic. Ta-da! How would you like to wake up to this view every morning? But better yet, let's show you the bathroom. Morning showers, looking out into the amazing ocean. Best way to start your day. You've got a double sink, tons of storage. And through here, hot tub, again, with a view. Second bedroom has a Murphy bed and a fantastic view. As you can see, the entire home is a designer luxury home that has been designed with architecture in mind. The whole home is almost like a piece of art. One of our favorite things about this home is this weekend the girls and I had a lot of fun going through the bookshelf. This home has an amazing collection of books, everything from self-love to actual self-love. Architecture, fashion, design, and personal growth. This bookshelf gives us hours of entertainment. So this is a really nice feature in the home. On this side we've got the kitchen, so you can have nice meals together. Beautiful kitchen. Literally everywhere you stand in this home has a view. Tons of storage. We brought the entire Vein and Vine collection, as this week was all about working on our health and our wealth. So we definitely loaded up on our supplements. I also brought Chasing Unicorns with me, which I'm gonna unbox later. And then out this way, is the private beach. So we're actually located in Sechelt. And Sechelt is like a really up-and-coming kind of emerging neighborhood. The Sunshine Coast here features 2 neighborhoods that are really popular, Sechelt and Gibsons. So we're in Sechelt, which is the second neighborhood, and this home, like I said, is called Arbutus BLUFF because it is located at the end of the beach and there is an Arbutus. Arbutus tree, not an ancient log. Be down here. Fell over. It's not an Arbutus tree. These rocks over here are perfect for sun tanning. We tried that out yesterday. Okay, so that's it guys. We are wrapping up our vacation. I hope you loved coming along. Doing Airbnbs is something that is completely new to me. I'm always staying in hotels. Started here and we've got a couple more trips planned with the girls. It's gonna be a big summer and I'll bring you with me the whole time. So have a great day. See you soon. Bye. Mwah. We enjoyed it. Let's go back to the city.